From the mountains of Panguna to the shores where the ocean sings, a people have carried a dream through tears, through sacrifice, through generations of waiting, and still the cry remains. No. Mama wiped tears from her eyes, watching the sunrise over the sea. Grandfather's stories still survive, of a future they long to see.
Years have passed like the river flows. Children grew beneath the rain, carrying hopes inside their souls. Through every season, through every pain,
we remember
those who stood, those who fell, those who prayed.
Their voices still echo today.
Freedom in our hearts, freedom in our song.
We've carried this dream
for so long. Freedom in our hearts, freedom in our soul.
Like the rising sun,
we're reaching for our goal. Hear the island sing.
Let the bells of hope ring.
Freedom, freedom,
Hey.
freedom, freedom.
For the people.
The coconut trees still sway, the mountains still touch the sky. The spirits of our ancestors say, never let your dreams die.
We are more than the scars we bear,
More than the battles we've known,
a generation standing here.
ready to build our own.
We believe
We endure, we unite, we rise.
with tomorrow in our eyes.
Freedom in our hearts, freedom in our song. We've carried this dream for so long. Freedom in our hearts, freedom in our soul. Like the rising sun, we're reaching for our goal. Hear the island sing.
Let the bells of hope ring.
Freedom,
Freedom,
freedom.
freedom for the people. Who will carry the dream?
We will carry the dream.
We will build
We
tomorrow.
will build tomorrow. We will build tomorrow.
Who will walk in
We
peace?
will walk in peace. Who will lift the
Who
nation?
will lift the nation?
We will lift the nation.
Oh,
No more fear, no more chains, no more shadows, no more pain. Let healing come, let justice come, let unity come, let hope become
the light we've waited for.
freedom in our hearts, freedom in our song.
We carried this dream
For so long, hey, freedom in our hearts, freedom in our soul. Like the rising sun, we're reaching for our goal.
One people, one future, one destiny.
Oh, hear the island sing.
Let the bells of hope ring.
Freedom,
Freedom, hey,
freedom,
freedom. The cry of the island
lives on,
lives on,
lives on,
lives on.
lives on, lives on.
A Bougainville dream carried by generations before Papua New Guinea's independence. A hope guarded by sacrifice, a future waiting to be written. May peace guide the journey. May wisdom lead the way. May the people never lose their voice. May the cries of the people never be ignored. For the voice of the people is the heartbeat of their future.